Azure Information Protection. Microsoft Azure Information Protection is a cloud-based solution that will help organizations classify and protect the document and also emails by applying labels. Labels can be applied automatically, manually, or with a combination of both. Here is an example of Microsoft Azure Information Protection in action. In this example, the administrator has configured a label with rules that detect sensitive data when a user saves a Microsoft Word document containing, let's say, a credit card number. A custom tooltip is displayed. A tooltip recommends labeling the file as confidential, which is a label that an administrator has configured. This label classifies the document and also protects it. After your content is classified, you can then track and control how the content is used. For example, you can analyze the data flows to gain insight into your business. You can detect risky behaviors, take corrective actions, track access to documents. You can also prevent data leakage, or even misuse of documents, by properly labeling them.